how to dispose of TVs, washing machines, refrigerators, and air conditioners. Ladies and gentlemen, today let's start with What's This Waste? I'm your host, Mr. Fuyasunzu. Well, what kind of challenge will we face today? Good morning, Fuyasunzu. Good morning. I want to get rid of this TV as soon as possible. The cassette player explodes suddenly. Mate, come back. I wish you destroyed the TV too. Televisions, washing machines and dryers, refrigerators and freezers, and air conditioners are required by law to be properly recycled. They cannot be disposed of as ordinary or bulky waste. In addition, the City of Osaka does not pick up, collect, or transport these 4 items. So please recycle them using the methods that I will talk about. How to dispose of them. When replacing with a new product of the same item, ask the store where you will buy your new product to pick up the old one. The pickup method varies by store, so please contact the store in advance. In addition, even if there is no replacement and only disposal, please ask the shop where you purchased the product to pick up the item for disposal. The pickup method varies by store, so please contact the store in advance. How to dispose of items if you do not know the store where you purchased them. If you don't know the store where you purchased the product previously, dispose of it in the following order. 1. Purchase a recycling ticket at a post office. 2. Transport it to the pickup location. I will explain in further detail. Please check the following before purchasing a recycling ticket: the name of the manufacturer and the size of the TV. Please identify the model number displayed on the front panel or the model number of the rating display engraved on the back. Screen size of 15 inches or less is small, and screen size of 16 inches or more is large. Please check the manufacturer's name for washing machines, dryers, and air conditioners. Refrigerators should be distinguished by the total rated internal volume indicated on the rating display nameplate inside the refrigerator compartment door or inside the freezer door. If the rating display nameplate cannot be read due to dirt, damage, etc., the longest dimensions, height, width, and depth will be used. If you have any questions about whether it is less than 1400 millimeters, which is small, or 1400 millimeters or more, large, please contact the manufacturer. Buy a recycling ticket at the post office. Fill in the necessary items such as your address, name, disposal items, etc. on the home appliance recycling ticket provided at the post office and pay the home appliance recycling fee. Enter the manufacturer's name code, 3 digits, and the item charge category code, 2 digits, corresponding to the waste to be recycled. For codes and recycling fees, please refer to the list of recycling fees for post office procedures, tax included. Entries are highlighted in red for clarity. Transport the item to the pickup location. If you are able to bring your items directly to the collection location, please bring them to the designated collection location along with the items to be disposed of and the home appliance recycling ticket. Please pay the recycling fee in advance. Please check the website of the Home Appliance Recycling Coupon Center for the designated collection location. Please contact the Environment Bureau's Household Waste Reduction Department at the Osaka City Government. If you cannot bring it in directly, please ask a licensed contractor who has been authorized by the City of Osaka to collect and transport general waste. However, a separate transportation fee is required. Let's use limited resources efficiently.